Hi, my name is Patricia, and in each short video, I break down one business analysis technique at a time in under 5 minutes. Let's get into it. Have you ever struggled to gather everyone's input efficiently? Workshops create a structured, collaborative space where participants can brainstorm, prioritize, and agree on solutions together. They turn discussions into tangible outputs and make sure everyone is on the same page, saving time and preventing misalignment. Workshops are an essential BA technique for gathering information, aligning stakeholders, and making collaborative decisions quickly and effectively. Today, we're exploring workshops, a technique that helps you gather input, align stakeholders, and co-create solutions with clarity and speed. Let's see how it works in practice. Why does this matter? Workshops bring the right people together at the right time. Instead of chasing emails or scattered meetings, everyone contributes their expertise in one focused session, helping the team make informed decisions quickly. They also create a shared understanding of objectives and priorities. When people participate and share ideas, the chance of miscommunication or missed requirements drops dramatically. So why does this work? Workshops work because they bring structure to what could easily become chaotic discussions. Using visual aids like diagrams or sticky notes makes complex ideas tangible and easier to understand. A facilitator keeps the conversation on track and makes sure everyone has a voice. And real-time collaboration boosts engagement and leads to faster, stronger alignment on decisions. When would you use workshops? Workshops are ideal at the start of a project to gather requirements and perspectives efficiently. They're also great for designing solutions collaboratively or preparing for critical decisions, ensuring all stakeholders understand the context. And whenever multiple teams or departments need alignment, workshops help get everyone on the same page quickly and clearly. How do you run a workshop effectively? First, define clear objectives and what you hope to achieve. Identify the participants who can contribute or make decisions. Prepare materials, templates, diagrams, sticky notes, anything that helps visualize ideas. During the session, facilitate actively. Keep discussions focused, make sure everyone participates, and capture outcomes accurately. After the workshop, share notes and next steps so decisions and ideas are documented and acted on. Let's walk through a real example. In a digital transformation project for an Australian government department, the BA facilitated a requirements gathering workshop with stakeholders from IT, business units, and end users. The session used several tools to make it effective. Sticky notes. Participants wrote requirements, ideas, and concerns, which were then grouped into categories. Diagrams. Workflow diagrams were created in real time to visualize processes and highlight gaps. Voting dots. Participants prioritized requirements, marking which ones were most critical. By the end of the workshop, the team had a shared, tangible view of the requirements. All stakeholders agreed on priorities, and potential misunderstandings were avoided. This allowed the project to move forward with confidence, reducing rework and improving efficiency. How can you get the most out of workshops? Always define clear objectives and stick to time limits. It keeps the session focused. Use visual aids to make ideas tangible. Encourage everyone to contribute. Quiet voices often carry critical insights. And document outcomes immediately. Then share them with participants to maintain alignment and accountability. To summarize, workshops are powerful for aligning teams, gathering requirements, and making collaborative decisions efficiently. By running structured, interactive sessions, you save time, clarify priorities, and get everyone on the same page. Next, we'll explore brainstorming, a technique that helps generate creative ideas and solutions quickly. See you then.